Moringa seed oil can be used for hemorrhoids topically on the affected area. By consuming moringa extract is extremely helpful for healing constipation. Moringa powder can be used in a variety of ways, on breakfast, in smoothies, for baking and also in moringa beverages. You can use moringa in multiple forms and that's the most amazing part of them. Moringa seed oil is very much effective for external uses on hemorrhoids since it can be very helpful for the areas surrounding your anus. Applying directly to the anus can hydrate the area and get rid of irritation along with the extreme dryness. Consuming moringa extract has also multiple benefits including healing various stomach problems. The main importance here is that it's super effective in healing constipation, which is considered one of the main causes of hemorrhoids formation. It can even help prevent infections from spreading due to hemorrhoids, although further studies need to be done about this specific matter. Moringa is also very nutritious and has antibiotics along with antibacterial abilities that are the main reason for stopping infections. It's rich in vitamin B that helps the gut with digestion and smoothing bowel movements. A smooth bowel movement for hemorrhoids patients is like a small portion of heaven since that can be very soothing and relieving strains. Benefits of moringa for hemorrhoids: having a balanced diet that has enough fiber intake and fluids is the best thing you can do if you have stomach problems including constipation and worse, hemorrhoids. Moringa is popular for treating a lot of diseases and on a lot of occasions. Even though it's not that much popular for treating hemorrhoids, it certainly is amazingly helpful for healing manageable hemorrhoids. It's not hugely popular since most people don't know the full peak of what moringa has to offer for your health. And we're going to talk about how moringa is very much beneficial in treating hemorrhoids right below. Is moringa good for hemorrhoids? Moringa is known for its multiple benefits throughout the whole world for years and studies have been still proving it for more health benefits. Moringa is from the drumstick tree, which is very much popular for its medicinal properties. These trees are found mostly in northern India, but they are also cultivated throughout Asia and Africa. Moringa is widely used for fighting against hemorrhoids because of a lot of different benefits. One of them is the anti-inflammatory ability that can be hugely beneficial for treating hemorrhoids in the early stages. It can treat long-lasting inflammation inside the anal canal which is caused by hemorrhoids and reduce multiple hemorrhoid symptoms. Moringa has hydrating agents that can be directly used on hemorrhoids to rehydrate the areas for a longer time since hemorrhoids can cause a dry anus. Adding moringa in your hemorrhoids fighting remedy can be hugely beneficial since they do have sufficient resources to fight against manageable hemorrhoids. Moringa oleifera is one of the rare and best things you can use against hemorrhoids since they have multiple benefits in different forms, and that's not all. Moringa powder for hemorrhoids. Another great way to consume moringa is to use moringa powder with different foods. And that's the magic part, you can mix up moringa powder with basically any foods including mixing it up with drinks and so on. You can consume it every morning by mixing moringa powder with smoothies and get the benefits. You can also sprinkle moringa powder on your lunch meals including salads, soup, hummus, or avocado toast. You can also add it to sweet potato toasts for extra taste and benefits. Although sprinkling moringa powder might not be sufficient enough for you to work against constipation and hemorrhoids, you may try baking moringa powder with different treats and consume them for the benefits and it'll still work fine. Best ways to consume moringa. Moringa is considered one of the most popular miracle superfood that you can consume in so many ways. But if your main goal is to fight against constipation and hemorrhoids, you would need some extra guidance on consuming them. You directly drink it mixed with water or milk and it won't matter much whether you use hot or cold water. Moringa has 30% fiber and it'll surely help you with your constipation and other stomach-related problems within the first week. You can also mix it with tea and drink it accordingly, but it might not be as sufficient as smoothie mixtures. Preparing moringa smoothies and consuming them will drastically reduce inflammation of your blood veins inside your anus. It will help you heal them very quickly and it'll only work if you have a manageable case of hemorrhoids. You can add moringa with any food then can be baked and they'll still work like a charm. What are the moringa benefits for hemorrhoids? The direct benefit of hemorrhoids you'll get from moringa is their anti-inflammatory and constipation relieving properties. Moringa is a miracle superfood that you can consume along with other foods and you'll still get the health benefits. By consuming moringa, you can drastically reduce a lot of different symptoms, including reducing swollen blood veins and reducing overall strains inside your anus. It's very nutritious and can help you recover after having a severe bleeding session caused by hemorrhoid strains. Moringa extracts even help you with other stomach disorders, including healing chronic gastritis and irritable bowel syndrome effectively. The high amount of vitamin B it has can improve your digestion very efficiently. Is moringa drink good for hemorrhoids? Moringa drink is certainly well for fighting against hemorrhoids, and you can drink it without having any notable side effects. Moringa extracts and drinks have a long history, and it has been used for treating various diseases throughout the years. Although fighting against hemorrhoids is quite new, since a lot of other benefits are being discovered as well. But since it does have anti-constipation and anti-inflammatory properties, it certainly helps with hemorrhoids symptoms. Moringa drink can be delicious, and you can drink it every day for the best results on your hemorrhoids. What are the side effects of moringa? Moringa extracts and food combos are generally well tolerated among everyone. But it does have some side effects that you should know about, and here they are. Moringa can cause your blood sugar levels to lower down, which can be problematic. It can mess with blood pressure levels as well and can affect diabetes patients. Moringa can affect some medications, including blood pressure and hormonal medications. So you certainly should discuss it with your physician before consuming moringa. Moringa can be dangerous for pregnant women since it can mess with women's hormones. So do not take moringa in any form if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. A balanced diet can easily deal with the early stages of hemorrhoids, along with adding other lifestyle changes. And preventing constipation from going on can be a big move against preventing hemorrhoids. And a balanced diet is one of the best ways to prevent this long-term and irritating disease. You can always add a lot of dietary fibers to your daily eating plan, and they'll certainly work if you keep it up. For more articles on treating hemorrhoids, please see healmyhemorrhoids.com.